investigation tawri nai marak asida PMGSY ki road scheme ni Manipur ni matang sida investigation tawri ba matam marak sida manung masida karigumba minister natraga minister khara sida invoke tawri targadi yaurumba mari lenaram targadi madu council of ministers tagi kudakta louthokam thoi louthokam thoi maramdi makoi du louthok tragadi tawribu investigation adu madugi achumba fair oiba aduga unbiased fair oinabidamakta unbiased oinabidamakta asumgidamakta makoi adu council of ministers tagi louthokam thoi haina koi thamjage yenjakre Congress Party na sokiba Manipur thoiba masigumba PMGSY ki soroki scheme sigi matang paisa kya karai sakhrabano hai se khanggi matang sida masigi matang asida honorable minister rural development amasung panchayati raj na mahaki su statements thamkiba Manipur prajana koinasu uba tajaba phangjare hai ribasing asi kanana asumba hairibno achumba sina kari oigadabano asingba khangnanagidamakta akoina Congress Party na ngasi senior leaders mayamga yamna kupna nainaraba matunda Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee na Parjamyang mamangda amasung Manipur ki sarkar da maruoina demand khar thamjari hai demand ase thamibasi karigino hairaga PMGSY की सोरोक साबसी द स्कीम थो किसी मांग थी वो प्रशासन नसी कोई मणिपुर प्रजागिनी कोई लोइनो बकिनी मरम पब्लिक मनी होबनिना पब्लिक मनी हाइबसिदा रुपा अमबो पैसा अमबो मांगहन ब यादे मरम अदुना मसी की पैसा से खराइ द सत्खिबनो कनाना कमदो मांगहन खिबनो हाइबदु अचुमबदु खांगन नबदमक्ता मणिपुर प्रदेश कांग्रेस कमिटी ना any central neutral oiba independent oiba central agency amada body amada masigi entire PMGSY ki roles in Manipur tawri masigi matangda thisinanaba investigate tawnanaba koina Manipur sarkar demand tawi makoi tawum thopadi state cabinet na madu ware bloga kudatta recommendation central thabam thopani sigumba central agency amada neutral oiba independent oiba amada thigatnabidamakta masi thigatpasi karigidamakta darkar oiribno haiba matamsida masigumba PMGSY ki road scheme asida chenariba natraga chenaramba yaba mayama minister oigera natraga minister khara oigera natraga sarkari ki karmachari official oigera contractor oigera marak chenba middleman oigera natraga any other kanagumbi masigi scheme sida chenaramba targadi madu mayamdo kana no haibido asengba thidoknagidamakta Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee na Manipur sarkar na madu central agency amada neutral oiba independent oiba amada sinafam thoi sinagadabani haidana koi demand tawjari su khangire madudi honorable minister RD and PR na ambikiba statement da Indian National Congress Manipur ki Facebook page ta karigumba document khara upload tawrai maduna privilege soi haibagi wapham ama koi thenajai madura koina hajinglibadi Indian National Congress Manipur ki Facebook page sida upload tawbhraba natraga tawriba document natraga documents singbadu Manipur Legislative Assembly ga mari amata lenati habi makoi ki record adu akoina upload tawriba nati habi makoi masi Manipur ki praja miyam da amaso honorable minister so koi hajari aduga roibada honorable minister na privilege sui habi matam so in panbiki aduna maram oiraga mahatna speaker da Manipur Legislative Assembly da ki high petition tawki high maina tajai newspaper ki report agi news tagi madu matangda masi Congress Party na hajining budi Congress Party koi di bharat ki संविधान को व्यवहार तौजबा rule of law yamna thamoi sengna injaba party mo oibena maram oiduna madugumba Adugi wapham dugi matangdadi ngasi Manipur Legislative Assembly Honorable Speaker gida laikhibana maram ore hairaga madugi assembly ki domain da laikhabana akoina political party amina masida adugi matangda comment amanta tawugi answer laite maramdi appropriate forum asi only it is within the house in the Manipur Legislative Assembly only na haidana madu matangda koi we have no comment to offer adana madu tamjage aduna masi ki press conference asi mayam na
One question, please, sir.
Our Indian National Congress Manipur Facebook page uploading some documents or a document in which the minister has stated that it has led to a breach of privilege. Well, in that regard, we would like to state very categorically that a document or any document which has been uploaded on Indian National Congress Manipur Facebook page has nothing to do with report or has nothing to do with Manipur Legislative Assembly. And in addition to this, there is also a statement of the Honorable Minister, which he also has stated on the breach of privilege. And from the news, we also have come to know that he has also petitions in the assembly. With that regard, the party has no comment because the party, which believes in the constitution and the rule of law, states that the matter is in the court of Honorable Speaker. The matter pertains to Manipur Legislative Assembly, so the right forum, the appropriate forum for that deliberation is in the Legislative Assembly, not here. Both from the Prime Minister and Manipur Chief Minister, what is their stand on sending a recommendation for any central investigating agency to the center with regard to PMGSY scale? We would like to get a reply within 24 hours. Let the CM say, let the Prime Minister say, then we will take a call.